Friends, my today's class I will start with exercise 2.1. So question number 1, fifth sum. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. All three fractions are unlike fractions. Their denominators are different. So we will take LCM. LCM of 10, 5 and 2. Here your greater number is 10. So you can recite table of 10 in your mind. 10 ones are 10. So you can see that first 10 comes in table of 2 also and 5 also. So LCM will be 10. Okay. This is the shortcut method. Otherwise you can find out LCM by your traditional method also. This is your choice. So now your LCM is 10. So we will write down 10 as a common denominator. We will recite table of 10. How many times you will get 10? 10 ones are 10. Once again, 10 ones are 10. So 7 into 1 will give you 7. Then plus, recite table of 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. So 2 twos are 4. Again plus sign. 2 fives are 10. Again 2 fives are 10. 5 threes are 15. Okay. So now in numerator all are positive numbers. So add all the positive numbers. 14, 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 7 will give you 26 upon 10. Can we cut these two numbers? Yes, these two numbers are divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. So this is 13 upon 5. Now we have converted into simplest form. What is the next step? Numerator is greater, so we will convert into mixed fraction. So then recite table of 5. 5 twos are 10 is to 3 upon 5. So this is the answer. Let me solve one more question. Sixth sum. Your sixth sum is 2 is to 2 by 3 plus 3 is to 1 by 2. Okay. Whenever mixed fractions are there, we convert into improper fraction. So this will become 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 2, 8 upon 3. And this will become 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Now you can see that denominators are different. So take LCM. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 8 twos are 16. Plus 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. So 7 threes are 21. Add this number 6 plus 1 7. 1 plus 2 3 upon 6. We cannot convert into simplest form. Since numerator is greater, convert into mixed fraction. So 6 6 are 36 is to 1 by 6. 6 is to 1 by 6. In this method you can solve by other method also. You can add all the whole parts together and then you can add this fraction. So 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 upon 3 plus 1 by 2. You know how to solve this part and then you will get the answer. This is also the one way to solve. But don't try this in subtraction because subtraction little bit different if your second part is bigger. So for addition you can use this method. Now we will go for seventh sum. One more sum I am explaining you here. 8 is to 1 by 2 minus 3 is to 5 by 8. Again mixed fraction is there, so we will convert into improper fraction. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17 by 2 minus 8 3s are 24 plus 5 29 by 8. Denominators are different, so take LCM. Your LCM will be 8. 8 is multiple of 2, so definitely greater number will be the LCM. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 17 4s are 68. Minus 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. So 29 into 1 will give you 29. Subtraction is there in numerator, so subtract this, you will get 39 upon 8. You cannot convert this into simplest form. So now we will convert into mixed fraction. As your numerator is greater, and mixed fraction is 4 is to 7 by 8. Now we will go for next question, that is question number 2. So your question number 2, here it is given descending order. So descending order means greater number and then smaller number. So first number will be greater, another numbers will be smaller. So let me take the first sum. 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and 8 by 21. You need to arrange these three fractions in ascending or descending order as per the question. Since denominators are different, we will take LCM. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21. Just like last question, I said decide table of 21. 21 ones are 21. 21 doesn't come in table of 9. 21 twos are 42. Again 42 doesn't come in table of 9. 21 threes are 63. Now 63 comes in table of 9 also, 3 also and 21 also. So what will be the LCM? 63. If you don't know this method, you can go with the traditional method also. This is your choice. Okay, so your first fraction is 9. Okay, we need every time 63. So by which number will you multiply 9 to get 63? 7. 9 7 is 63. So 7 we will write in numerator also. Take the second fraction 2 by 3. 3, how many times we will get 63? 3 21 is 63. So here we will write 21. Now let's take the last fraction 8 upon 21. 21 3s are 63. Okay. Now multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 14 upon 63. 42 upon 63 and 24 upon 63. You need to arrange in ascending order. So greater number will come first. So which is the greater number? 42 upon 63, the middle one. Okay. And always we need to write down the answer in the original form. So middle one will be the first one. Write down these two steps together to avoid confusion. Then the second one will be 24 upon 63. Actually, this is the last fraction. So, which one is the last fraction? 8 upon 21. And the smallest one is 14 upon 63. That is the first one, 2 upon 9. If you want to put here sign, so you can put here sign also. Greater than, and this is the smaller one. So, this is the way we solve, arrange in ascending order or descending order. Method is same, only the last step, arranging part is different. Now I will go for question number 4. Question number 4 is a word problem. A rectangular piece of paper is given. So you can draw one rectangle whose length is given 12 is to 1 by 2 centimeter and breadth is given 10 is to 2 by 3 centimeter. So what is given here? Length 12 is to 1 by 2 centimeter. Breadth is 10 is to 2 by 3 centimeter. Can we convert this into improper fraction? 12 to the 24 plus 1, 25 upon 2 centimeter. And this will become 10 is a 30 plus 2, 32 upon 3 centimeter. And here you are supposed to find perimeter. So what is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? 2 in bracket L plus B. Writing formula is very important. Just substitute the values here. Length is given here now 25 by 2 and breadth is given 32 upon 3. You can see that your denominators are different. So you need to take LCM. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 25 3s are 75. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So 32 2s are 64. Now you can add these two numbers 75 and 64. If you will add, you will get 139 upon 6. Since multiplication of fraction is there, so the first thing you should cut the number. That makes your work easier. So your answer will be 139 upon 3. Now you cannot convert this into simplest form, so we will convert into mixed fraction, and this will give you 46 is to 1 by 3, and since unit is given, writing unit is compulsory. So what is the perimeter of the given question? 46 is to 1 by 3 centimeter. Now we will go for the next sum. And the next sum is question number 6. Question number 5 is just like question number 4. Now here it is given, Sahil wants to put a picture in a frame. So two widths are given. One width is given 7 is to 3 upon 5 centimeter. And another width is given, width of the frame it is given 7 is to 3 by 10. So this is the width of the picture, width of the frame. So width of the frame is smaller, so we need to trim. So here your keyword is given trimmed. So what is the meaning of trimmed over here? Trimmed means we need to cut, and we need to cut means you are supposed to do subtraction. Extra width you need to subtract. Okay. So this is the way we have understood the question. Now we will write down the first statement. So first statement we can start with width of the picture. Width of the picture. Here it is given. I am writing just in improper fraction. 5 7 the 35 plus 3 39 upon 5. So this is 39 upon 5 centimeter. The second statement will be width of the frame is equal to 10 7 the 70 plus 3 73 upon 10. So this will become 73 upon 10 centimeter. And then therefore required width. We need to trim that. So required width means we will subtract. So which one will come first? Because then width of the picture is greater. So 39 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10. Again your denominators are different. So you will take LCM. Your LCM will be 10. 5 2s are 10. So we need to multiply this 39 2s are. Sorry, this is 38, not 39. So 5 7 is 35 plus 3 38. So this will become 38. This is also 38. So we need to multiply 38. 38 2s are 2 8 is 16. Carry over 1. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7. 76 minus 10 1s are 10. So we will write 73. And if you will subtract this 76 minus 73 will give you 3 upon 10 centimeter. So how much width you need to trim or you need to cut from the picture so that picture can put in a frame. So that width is 3 upon 10 centimeter. My next question is question number 7. Yeah, just a minute. Let me turn over the page. Yeah. So the next question is regarding an apple. So this is apple. What is given in the apple? 3 to 8, 3/5 part of an apple. Suppose this is 3/5 part. I am just assuming. So Ritu ate 3 upon 5th part of an apple. And the remaining part is eaten by her brother. How much part of apple did Somu eat? What is the name of the brother? Somu. So let me write Somu. So how much part is eaten by Somu? Okay. So again let write down the first statement. Part of an apple. Part of an apple eaten by Ritu. 3 upon 5. Therefore, part of an apple eaten by Somu. How to find out? 1 complete apple minus 3 upon 5. Your denominator is not there, it means 1. Now your denominators are different, so take LCM. LCM will be 1. So 1 5s are 5, 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5, so 1 into 3 will give you 3. So this is 2 upon 5. So how much part is eaten by Somu or eaten by her brother? 2/5 part of an apple is eaten by Somu. What is the next thing? Who had larger share? Who had larger share means you need to compare. So now we will do compare. Compare 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. See, these are the like fractions. You can find out 3 is greater. It means Ritu. So Ritu's share is larger. Okay. One more question is given. One more sub question is there. By how much? To find how much, always we find difference. So how to find difference? 3 by 5 minus 2 upon 5. Since these are the like fractions, you can subtract numerator, so 1 by 5. So what is the whole question? Somu ate 2 upon 5th part of an apple. Whose share is larger? Ritu's share is larger. And by how much? 1/5 part of the apple Ritu is getting. Thank you so much for watching today's video.